Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sekretari ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar henne kasi ulaong bangidey ban ayman sim nakabanta ki kinhon sipay kum ki bor Jingïaleh bat nakabanta kari namar bangidey ki try ri ka India. Shu ulaong da ka babenrap ba kani ka project sendur ngidey banis no oktilang banya tray lang bat ka sorkar. Ula benrap da ka baong ngimdey shu kirit pat ngidey banyang kali banya kun bat ban pen I ya ka perthai ba kari India ru kadey ka bayang halaki jangki kejat bat ngimdey ban Shah le he Khamtam ya kani ka Jingïaleh kari Pakistan ya ka khando ka Shiap kari India kamdey ban Shah la kumnu ngidey ki try ri bat ngidey banyang kali.
We need to be heart and soul with our forces, okay? We need to be heart and soul with our defense forces. We need to be heart and soul with the country. We are, after all, Indians. And Project Sindoor, as the name signifies, it is only being aptly named after the massacre of especially young couples, isn't it? Newly married husbands and so on and so forth. We've lost a lot. And I think the whole nation has to be together with the government, with the nation, and with the public at large. And we, as a country, we're about to become the third largest economy in the world. We're not small anymore, yeah? Where's Pakistan? Pakistan is nowhere to be. So why can't we stand together? And we have to fight. We have to fight. We have to show the world that we are also standing our ground. And we should not be bullied. We should not be bullied. We should this proxy war that is being fought by Pakistan, especially in Indian soil, it should not be tolerated by any means, by any government, and by any, so to say, Indian. And we are all Indians at this, and we should stand as one.